Backhand the same. Shuttle is flying. Stop the racket. Stop. Stop. And the hit. Stop. Stop. Drop. Stop. Stop. Because I stop, I can generate the power in the short space. If I don't stop, clear. Drop shot. Drop shot. Stop. 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 Drop. Stop. Stop. Clear. Drop shot. Drop shot. So same idea. When I'm under pressure, watch my racket. Stop. Stop. I can do that. But if I don't stop, I can't do it. Stop. Stop. I can do that. But if I don't stop, I can't do it. If you haven't heard this kind of skills, because you haven't heard, this is not new or a different skill. It's been there, but many players didn't see it. So open your mind and please try it with positive mindset rather than, I never heard of this. I'm not sure if this can be working, then you're already 50% negative and you will not do it 100% in proper way. So be positive and try to believe it and have a go. I am totally sure you will get 10-20% more benefit in your accuracy, in your deception, in your power.